unlock miracles. Harness the power of the universe before November 10th. Are you ready for a life-changing experience? Before November 10th, the universe has two incredible events in store for you. Don't underestimate the power of this message. It's time to pay attention. The first revelation: unexpected wealth is coming your way from unknown sources. When you hear a specific sound in this video, seize the moment and activate the power of karma. The universe is real, and on November 10th, a monumental shift awaits, making your deepest desires a reality. Don't forget to hit the plus sign and use the sound now to claim your blessing. Share this video with your loved ones to multiply the positive energy and ensure they don't miss out on this cosmic event. Someone emotionally connected to you will reach out on this magical day, ready to fulfill your every wish. Don't hesitate. Use the sound immediately. Even if you leave it in the drafts, within just 19 minutes, a financial miracle will unfold, transforming your life. That person you've been thinking about who's been ignoring you is about to make a heartfelt confession. Believe in this revelation by pressing the heart button until it turns red and leave a yes in the comments. Save this video to claim the energy, hit the plus sign, and watch as these extraordinary events unfold in your life. Embrace the mysterious black blessings awaiting you. Your destiny is in your hands. Let the universe guide you to a brighter future.